What's up, guys? Today we are going to be looking at a DIY version of the Keen Slapstick. So I'm here at Woodland Skate Park and nobody's here for some reason. So the cool thing about this version is you've actually got wheels to roll it around. So I came here the other night and this was here, but it didn't have this thick plywood on there. It had thin plywood, it had a big hole on one side, and the coping was sticking out a lot more. This might actually be a total rebuild. There was no metal on the sides. So yeah, it kind of messes me up right in the crease, at least on this side. That's why I flipped it around. But we'll see. I'll skate it a little more. I like the wood they used. It actually really slides. I feel like it actually slides better from my setup with Thunders, because Thunders don't really slide well for blunt slides just on coping because it's mostly wheel. So on this wood, and it's kind of waxed up, it actually slides a little bit more. This is pretty solid. It's heavy. It's built almost exactly the same as the Keen Slapstick. You can see he really did look at the way they built it and mimic it on the bottom here. Just like the Slapstick, I like to hit it perpendicular from the side like a quarter pipe, and I want to stick it up on top of one of these bank ramps and make an actual quarter pipe out of this thing. They've also got this DIY launch ramp here. Same person built both of these, and it makes a little, they made it into a little Euro gap up this. So I guess we could try that.